Dry, dull, brittle hair. This means your scalp is not making enough oil to moisturize your hair. But the good news is, you can treat hair dryness and add moisture back to your locks by following the steps given in this video. Avoid washing dry hair often. Your hair doesn't need to be washed every day. And when you do wash, remember to dilute your shampoo. Using less detergent is inevitably less drying. Use a moisturizing shampoo which will leave a fine film of conditioner on the strands. Always use conditioner. Conditioners are extremely essential in order to keep your hair soft and supple. A conditioning mask once a week will keep hair moisturized and treat dryness. Use hydrating and moisturizing hair masks and conditioners for restore moisture. Dry your hair naturally. Try to avoid blow drying and dry your hair naturally. It will help to lock moisture in rather than drying it out. Trim dry split ends. It's important to get regular trims to remove dry split ends. The thicker, blunt ends make hair look healthier, and your hair is also less likely to split with regular trimming. Use hair serums. Hair serums can help tame dry, unruly hair strands and help in keeping hair moisturized. Serums protect the hair from dust, pollutants, and heat damage. Vitamins D and E. Eat foods rich in vitamins D and E. They help in nourishing dry, brittle hair from within. Use a hair oil. Incorporating a hair oil is essential for locking in moisture and treating dryness. Choose hydrating hair oils that prevent frizziness and prevent your hair from developing split ends.